I'm working on wall panels, not paintings per se, but wall panels. This one here is a work in progress. I'll have that done today. And I'm set up over here using a stencil, as you can see there, and tape it on. And then I'm using this modeling paste, and I'm just putting it on, slapping it on. So if you want to see me put on a couple, this video's for you. And then what I'm going to do with these, I'm actually going to hang them in the bedroom as kind of like faux panels, just something that stands out off of the wall. See, this is the box canvas, really thick. I painted this the same color as my walls in the bedroom, and it will have just an effect, a subtle effect of slight wallpaper effect and a fake kind of panel. I don't know what else to call it. And I'm doing 3 of them for the bedroom. So hopefully I'll be done in about, 5 hours. Each one of them from start took me roughly 4 hours to do. And yeah, so let's get painting here. Or I should say stenciling. I'm painting in the garage. Got my garage door open. And yeah, it's nice to be outside. I'm just recording right now. It's okay. And yeah, so this is pretty easy to do. The effect is really nice. Almost like you're creating wallpaper. And if you notice, this is higher relief, so it's sticking out not quite 1/4 of an inch. And the colors are very close. It's just white. Leaving it white. I could have mixed paint in there, acrylic paint, to change the color. But I said, no, you know what? I'm just going to leave it white and very subtle. The effect is not to have a painting at the end, it's to have a wall treatment, kind of a wall effect. And all I'm going to do is put a screw in the wall and hang this on the wall as though it's art. That's it, simple as that. I love it. It just came to me out of the blue to try doing this because I'm doing a bedroom makeover on my other channel. And I'll show a little bit of this on that channel, in the video that I'm actually working on, because I get a lot of stuff for the bedroom from thrift stores and some new stuff too. And then I'm putting in some art that I've done and some artwork that I bought really cheap at thrift stores. So then I kind of have a theme of Paris, France going on, kind of slight, grandiose on a budget. So I thought that this would look pretty neat. So now we'll take this off. That's it. And we can go and do one more. Just put this to the edge. That way you can see down here. I'll finish it off. I drew lines, so I know how to center this, just to some penciled in lines. It works out just fine. And I'll need more tape to put that in. Very easy to do. I like to just use this brush and kind of mush it on. And after I finish this one, I got out a baking pan, like a cake pan, a rectangle one. I filled it with that much water, and I'll put this stencil put the stencil in the cake pan full of water and wash it off, and then start my next row up there. This isn't too bad, not too shabby, kind of neat. And here we go, let's take this off. Make sure that's flat. And now I will wash that and start again, do another row.